Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the right alloy for intended use. You want balance between hardness and toughness. Once chosen, measure and mark the blade outline, then clamp the stock securely. Use a cutoff or bandsaw to rough cut the profile. Keep the kerf consistent to save grinding time. Make sure to leave extra material for grinding and heat treat. You should deburr edges lightly to prevent stress risers. This reduces cracking later. From here, move straight to shaping and initial bevel layout. You now shape the bevels, start coarse to establish geometry, then refine for consistent thickness. Once geometry is set, normalize the blade 2 to 3 times by heating to the specified temperature and letting it air cool. This refines the grain and reduces internal stress. Next, harden by heating to the austenitizing temperature and quenching in the appropriate medium. This step locks in hardness. Make sure to control heat evenly to avoid warping. After quench, immediately temper to reduce brittleness while maintaining edge retention. You finish by tempering to the target hardness to reach a usable balance. Carbon steels often need 2 to 3 cycles at roughly 180-200 degrees C. Once tempered, grind final bevels and polish progressively through grits. Finish with stropping to remove burrs for a keen edge. Assemble handle or sheath after confirming fit. If the blade warps or chips, return to the temper temperature and gently correct geometry or regrind a damaged edge. If cracking occurs, stop and inspect microstructure before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.